So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan, and in this video we are going to talk about the principles of object-oriented programming. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So in object-oriented programming, there are total 4 principles. The first principle is inheritance, the second is polymorphism, the third is encapsulation, and the fourth is abstraction. So now let's talk about the first principle, which is inheritance. So what is inheritance? The principle of object-oriented programming, which is used to borrow the properties of a base class to a child class, is known as inheritance. So when we create a base class and we want to inherit the properties of that base class into child class, we use extend keyword. So now let's talk about the second principle, which is polymorphism. So the principle of object-oriented programming in which we can perform a single action in the different ways is known as polymorphism. So now let's talk about the third principle, which is encapsulation. So the wrapping up of implementation of data members and methods and variables in a class is known as encapsulation. So now let's talk about the fourth principle, which is abstraction. So hiding unnecessary data and showing only the valuable information to the user is known as abstraction. So these are the 4 principles, and we will cover that in detail in the separate videos of these 4 principles. So hope you like the video.